How's it going, guys? My name is Ishaan, and in this video I'm going to be covering the full technical analysis and short-term price target for Nndm stock in just 3 minutes. So let's get to it. Alright, so jumping into the technicals for Nndm stock on this 1 month 30-minute chart, I actually believe that the stock could be setting up for a move higher. So as we can see, the stock had been consistently forming lower lows and lower highs. In fact, this morning we actually retested that bottom trend line and held it as support, which is pretty bullish. Along with that, if you take a closer look, we can actually see that the stock is forming a symmetrical triangle. And as I've mentioned multiple times, these triangles can go either way, and so it's all about waiting for confirmation. And as you can see, the stock is actually trying to hold the 9 EMA, which is the blue line, which is also a signal of confirmation of a trend higher. So if the stock can continue to hold the 9 EMA, which is the blue line, that will be a super bullish sign, because as we can see over here, back here, when the stock started trending higher, it turned the 9 EMA, which is the blue line, into support. The moment it started turning it into resistance, like over here, the stock started going in a downtrend. As you can see, we also got an EMA cross with the 9 EMA crossing above the 21 EMA, which is the purple line, and that again is also a bullish signal. Along with that, we also got a MACD cross with the MACD line, which is the red line, crossing above the green signal line, and that is also a super bullish indicator that signals that momentum is shifting in the favor of the bulls. Because even as we saw back over here, when we got a MACD cross, the stock started trending up. When the MACD line crossed below the signal line, the stock started trending lower, and that's why it's such a powerful indicator in predicting reversals and momentum shifts. And on the 6-month daily chart, we can see that the stock has formed a long-legged doji. As we can see on today's daily candle, the stock has both a long bottom wick and a long top wick. Essentially, what this signals is indecision between buyers and sellers. So long leg dojis are usually a sign of a reversal and change in direction. And I mean, the stock is down like about 45% from its peak, and so it definitely seems like this long leg doji could be signaling a reversal higher, and so that's why overall Nndm stock is looking pretty bullish. So now that you understand how the technicals are looking, let's talk about the key levels to watch and my price target. So first of all, right off the bat, we can see that the stock has found support around this 970 level. It bounced over here, and even today it's right at that 970 level, and the reason is because that was previous level of resistance. And so if the stock can continue trending higher and we continue holding this 9 EMA, but along with that we also break above this diagonal resistance line, I definitely believe the stock could easily retest this about 1235 level where it had resistance over here. And at that point, if we can break above this diagonal resistance line, I believe the stock could retest this about $15 level where the stock had resistance right over here, resistance right over here, and where it was a previous level of support. However, if the stock ends up dropping lower, then I believe the stock could be heading down to about the 780 level. This is if the stock is unable to stay above the 9 EMA on the 1 month chart, and we see a lack of buying volume. So with that being said, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Gen Z Trader Academy link down below if you want to learn technical analysis and become more profitable. It can really help you make better entry and exit decisions. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.